Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Instagram username step by step. So to do this, you just need to go to your Instagram account, and after that, you should enter to your profile. And after entering to your profile, you should go and click on Edit Profile. And as you can see, the second option is called Username. You just need to click on it, delete your old username, and choose a new username. And here there is two possibilities. The first one is like now that your username is like available, so you can use this username. And the second one is like your username is not available, like you will see now. And as you can see, it tells you that it's not available. And in that case, you need to choose a new username. And after choosing your username, and when you find it available like this, you just need to click on the blue tick on the top right of your screen. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.